All right, y'all, we're gonna test this Muraco XTR. You guys know it's still stock out the box as far as the gearing is concerned. I love the way that thing sounds. Get this going down here for a pass or two. Definitely needs belted tires on it if I don't blind myself from the sun. Still pretty stable. Look at that. This is kind of wider than your standard Muracos. I do have the heavy duty, wider steering blocks on the front of this. He dancing though. Definitely need some belts on here. I think we're gonna get this typhon out down here too, so. I heard something running. He about to whoop up on me. Here you come, I'll let him go by. All right, see if I can get this going. I'm gonna follow him on down. Look at this, all over the place. I'm trying to follow you down. It ain't working. Get it straight, then we go. Woo. Yeah, I can't keep it straight, so with these stock tires on here. Come on down one more time. There he goes. Uh-oh. Something happened. All right, bring this on back down. First time he's, oh, bam, seen off-road. Of course, this is where he gonna clown, where he'll do his best, but. So I'll definitely have him out versus my Kronos XTR. Just got my Talon together, EXP, so we'll get that out too and get these two to kind of battle it out, but I at least wanted to try to get this running for y'all. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.